You're a teen, curious, a new animation adventure begins.
Welcome to my channel Atyzixnr. Today we are going to explore the difference between a beginner, a pro and an expert animator. They will create a stick figure animation in under 5 minutes using just a mouse. Just a creativity, a skill and time. Let's see what happiness. Beginner. Let's start the beginner. Beyond the 5 minutes, a beginner focuses on the simple leave and the basis moment. They usually don't speed time the extent detail like the coloring, the scale and adding and compression background. The animation might feel rough, a few from frames and the less nature moment. Pro. Now let's move on to the Pro. A Pro focuses the smoother animation, better the timing and the cleaner movement. Also the speed more timing, adding the colors, backgrounds and small details. Every frame is the plans more careful to create polished animation. Finally, let's look at the expert. An expert plans every step before the animation. They focus on the smooth motion, strike the pose, camera angle, and the story things. Every frame has the pupils, creating a professional and engaging the animation. And that's a difference between a beginner, a pro, and an expert. But remember, every expert was once a beginner. Animation is a stick that grows. We practice patience and creativity. Keeps learning, keep curious, and never stop improving. Thanks for watching. Creators, on to the next animation adventure. Keep the courage.